Not a good day today. It's hot and I'm angry. Central AC, brand new, out of the box. Brand new, the ducts are new, everything's new. So we're just trying to beat the heat. It's supposed to be freaking 98 degrees today.
We are tying in the air handler. We have a lot of ductwork and stuff going on this job. We're trying to get the air handler done, trying to get the air conditioning on. It's supposed to be 95, 96 degrees out these next couple days. I don't think anybody wants to work in that kind of attic, so we're trying to get this air conditioning on before it gets too hot, and then we'll start running ductwork.
Why don't we pull it? You want to pull it up and over it?
Yeah.
Watch your head there, guy. Come on, Geezer. You're gonna get your face ripped off. Come on, come on. You want to just set it down on top here?
No, I'm just locking it up while you're talking. We put pressure on it for while we took lunch, just to make sure that there's no leaks in the lines. It held pressure, which is good. Now we're hooking up the vacuum pump. Get it on. Hopefully get it vacuumed down pretty quickly, so we can put AC on up in the attic to keep us cool. I was putting the vents in and the flex pipe. It's really warm. A little warmer than we like it.
Post lunch plan is go home and go in the pool.
You got a pool?
No, I had a kiddie pool.
You're gonna go in that?
I was in that yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like a real redneck.
Do you have a beer at least?
I couldn't drink yet. I was on call, so I had to wait. I had to wait on the cocktail, but I was in the pool. It's hot as hell out, and nobody really wants to go back up in the attic. So we're trying to get the AC to work so we can continue working in the attic. And that's about it. So we're going to insulate some ducts and call it a day.
Insulation. Just gonna wrap all of that ductwork. All this ductwork going on. Insulate it so it's more efficient. Doesn't let all the cool air escape into the hot attic in the summer, just to make it better in general. Yeah, fiberglass, get a little itchy. That's fun right there, huh?
A new thermostat. New thermostat location.
Even though it's my own phone, I know that.
Well, I look like I got beat up by sheetrock. We're all miserable and we want to go home. We got the AC, I think, to a point we could turn on in the morning, so it won't be as bad in the attic in the morning, but still a lot of work left. So Just don't have the energy right now. So till next time.
Sunrise, sunset.
It's hot as hell again. Somehow we get out of the AC once the AC is running. We got to run some major ductwork in here. We're all rammy. We want to get it done and get out. So that's about the gist of it. In the attic, the AC is running. So we sent Simon up there, but we get under the stick.
Naturally.
Yeah. And Simon broke 3 bits already off our hole cutter.
You broke 3?
Well, 2, and this will be the 3rd that he's drilling, as you could hear. So I think that needs to be on video because he cost us probably, what are they, $10 a bit probably?
We're just cutting in some vents, getting ready to be flexed up to the rooms. Hopefully it won't take too long. We just started. I only got 2 in so far. We got probably 5 more to go. So it's gonna be a good day's work. Finish, make this all look nice, but it's gonna come out nice. It's all nice and cool up here. Got the AC going up here. It's not 100-something degrees up here, so no more sweat. It's hotter outside, inside the house than it is up here.
So all 3 of us can be home. More over to you. That's what you want. These boxes, the wires go straight up, all the way to the ceiling. And I gotta cut a vent in here. I'm trying to keep it centered with what we have next door, but I know there's wires in here. Where they go, I have no idea, but that's the problem. So I'm gonna move the vent over just so I'm not right above these wires, and hopefully, with our fingers crossed, there's no wires. So, what do you want? What is the big deal here? Hey, steel toe boots, huh?
In the wrong hands, right?
So this is flexible duct. So it's basically what those big boxes were. We usually use regular duct for the main trunk where all the flex comes off of. It's a lot easier to run flexible duct. It's a lot faster, a lot cheaper, a lot easier for us to install flex to the rooms. It's just easier to maneuver, tie up to here, up to the roof, strap it up. It's a lot faster. It'll take a lot longer to be able to do hard pipe all the way to the each room. I think it's probably more than all of them.
We're here, I'm coming out of the hole, and I'm covered in insulation. Looks like a disaster, but we're running a 12-inch line into a bathroom and then a run back down to the kitchen. Looks like a mess, but it'll work real good. We will have the wrap-up video for you in the morning.
Sunrise, sunset.
Day 3 is get done as fast as possible. That's every day. No, we don't have much left, maybe a couple hours. I think we got more of a clean up here than we do work. Charge the system, make sure it's running up to par, and then clean up. I hate cleanup. It sucks. And then we're off to another job today, so never stops. But yeah, everything looked good. We did a lot of work, a ton of work yesterday, so makes today a lot easier. Maybe we don't have to get covered in insulation. We're on the finishing touches here. Just make sure everything looks good. Screws are in everything. the last screw is turned before we leave. You know, like I said, just kind of OCD stuff. Just make sure that, you know, it's a brand new install. I want to make sure everything's done right. You know, there's a lot of guys who just rush out the door, but that's not us, you know. So we don't want to. The only call we want back is saying that the house is like an ice box. That's about it. Put this vent somewhere. See at its finest. Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
I love this crap. Think thin. What do you think, Brad? Feel that? Can you feel that?
Ooh, that does feel really nice.
Okay, feel that? Party on.
You got this.
Think thin, think thin. We're done. Another central cut-in. Cut-in meaning had no ducts. We added ducts. We added returns. Added everything to have an AC system work properly. A little tough job. We had to cut through some closets. It wasn't your typical house design, so it's about 10:30 and we are out of here. So on to the next job. Everything worked out well. We got to go over the stuff for the homeowner, show him the filters and all the gadgets he gets with it, and we're out of here. Till the next time.